helping you better understand how to make money online with these simple to follow tips. Struggling to pay for your home mortgage each month? Are you tired of the high cost of fuel for your vehicle and grocery store prices, and now you're wondering what you can do to make ends meet? You're in luck, because this video will give you some great advice about making money online. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income, or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions, and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and Paperpost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Thousands of people across the country are now making online and loving every minute of it. Print this video out and keep it where you can see it and refer to it when necessary. Making money online is not an opportunity that you will want to miss. It's time for you to get started. Student loan,